Texas Pressure Washing Store is here to pump you up.
Hi, I'm Caitlin with Texas Pressure Washing Store, and I'm here with my assistant, Heath Phelps.
Today I'm Hans.
We are doing a demo video for Rust Out just to show how effective this product works. Heath will be demonstrating that for us today.
So today we're going straight because we got a pretty bad rust stain from the rust bucket over here. The cover was left off the grill, rainwater got in it, overflowed it, caused a rust stain on the cool deck. Obviously, cool deck, you can't really put a lot of pressure on it. You definitely have to chemically treat it. This is a restoration job. So we're going straight in the interest of time. So I'm gonna scrub the bad spot just a little bit to see. You know, sometimes you can get some pitting and stuff like that. That really sucks. So we've let it dwell for 4 minutes right now, and
Now I'm going to teach you to hydrate.
so really, when you treat rust with almost any chemical remover, you ideally want it to be dry. I did not bring my leaf blower. It's a good way to accelerate your projects, to decrease your time, because you want stuff to be dry. So if you had organics over rust, you would clean it first with SH. You want to always remove organics before you treat the rust. And then after you treat the rust, you need it to be dry before you apply the rust remover. So sometimes you don't have time. You know, we carry leaf blowers on all our rigs, and if you don't, I recommend it.
We're here to help you dominate your restoration projects.
And then we're going to put some more, see if we can't get this last little bit off. This is about setting expectations. You got to explain to the customer, hey, that really bad spot may not completely come up. You know, in the future, if you ever have anything get on your property, rust, calcium, you know, efflorescence, call us before, you know, don't let it set in, and we can probably make it look like it was never there. So you can only do what you can do.
You got to put your best effort in it. You do or you die.
It drastically lightened the rust stain. This is a little bit more of a concentrated rust spot, so you can go back and reapply at another time to see if that lightens up anymore. The final results, I would assume that a customer would be really satisfied with this.
Sell the job today.
If you would like to order Rust Out, check us out online or click the link down below.
There's no tomorrow. There's today.